Hi, my name is JD and today we're going to be checking out Monty's Bethnal Green pickups. Let's do this. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a little 1 minute track so you can hear what the pickups sound like in a mix. I'm going to use the bridge pickup and I'm going to put it in the Peter Green setting, which is the middle, just for a couple of the lead bits. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. Right, now that's out of the way, we're just going to go through some of the clean sounds, some overdrive sounds and some high gain sounds. So before we get started, I just want to say a couple of things. Firstly, these are very expensive pickups and I have just made a video about do pickups matter. Basically was Glenn Fricker right, but in general the video was do pickups matter, and I think in a high gain setting they don't matter as much as some people think, and I think there's a lot of misconceptions about pickups and this sounds like this or this sounds like this. Once you get into the high gain settings, it's very minimal, and like I said, I honestly think you could EQ on your amp or your pedal, or even get an EQ pedal and get a very similar sound in a mix. Now, with that being said, these pickups are very expensive. Now, you are going to get some people who are going to say, I can get these pickups, these sound pickups for 90 quid or something like that. And you're probably right. I bet you any money there's a pickup out there somewhere that sounds exactly like this and a lot cheaper. I mean, these are based off a Gibson pickup anyway, so if you bought a Gibson one, they're probably cheaper than this. And they're probably going to sound exactly the same. Maybe slightly different, but anyway, they're going to get you in the ballpark. But what I'm trying to say is, I've not bought these thinking, they're expensive and they're going to be unbelievable, they're going to beat every pickup. When you're buying a pickup, I think you factor in what you need and what you want. So, what I wanted, I've had the Bill Steer signature pickups. So, I like Monty's pickups. Now, the fact that Matt is a UK builder, he's independent, you're going to pay a premium for that. Now, what that premium is, he sets it. At the end of the day, if if you want to buy something that's been custom made in the UK, you're going to pay a premium for it. You only have to look at certain amplifiers, hand-wired amplifiers. Look at Friedman's. They are like £4,000 over here. I know they're made in America, but is a £4,000 Friedman better than a £1,000 Marshall? Well, they're probably about 1,800 quid, the Marshalls. Who knows? But what you are paying for is somebody to make it in a certain country, which costs money. Now, do I believe that these are 450 quid? Probably not, but 450 quid is a lot of money. But the reason I bought them, like I said, is UK. I've had pickups before, so I know they're going to be good. I wanted different pickups from this guitar because I didn't like the Fishmans, I didn't like the look in there. And these sound really, really good. They do sound really, really good. Now, I don't know how well it's going to translate into this video, but anyway, we're going to crack on. Right, so we're going to start off on the bridge pickup, I'm using the Boss Noise Suppressor, going through the Fryer Deliverance 60. It's on kind of a cleanish setting. Going into the power station, and we're using the small 1x12 with the SM57 and the Voodoo VR1 ribbon microphone. So this is what it sounds like on clean. I'm in E flat. Middle position, which is the Peter Green. Neck pickup. Right, so yeah, they sound really good. I do actually love these pickups. They're very low output and they're very clear, is the only way I can describe it. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my Eventide H90 on, which is a little patch I've created, which is a Triceratops and a tremor verb. Middle pickup. Neck pickup. They sound unbelievable. That is a really good clean sound. I'm just putting the Peter Green setting. Now I'm going to go through some crunch settings. The Eventide's off at the moment, and there's no boost still. It's just Boss Noise Suppressor into the Fryette. Right, now I'm going to add the boost, which is the Boss OD200. And because I can't tell which, if it's a clone or a tube screamer, it's one of them. So back in the bridge pickup position. Right, I think that's enough of the cleans and the overdrive, because that's not what I play and I can't play it. That's about as good as I'm going to get for the clean and the overdrives. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go into some high gain settings and see if these bethnal greens can do some thrash. Let's go. Right, now that's out of the way, what we're going to do is we're going to do the high gain. And I've adjusted the Boss OD200 a bit more gain, and I've just upped the gain on the Fryette. The gain's on like 3 o'clock and the gain one's on at like 12 o'clock. Let's see what it can do. They sound awesome. I don't know how it's coming across here, but this combination of this pickup, this guitar, tuned to E flat, Boss OD200, which I'm still not sure of, but this deliverance is just sounding chunky, not saturated, but just ballsy. Right, that's enough riffing. 20 minutes in, that's been way too long for this video. So, yeah, what to take home from this? I like these pickups, and I paid the money. So, I don't care. I think they sound really, really good. If you can get pickups that are cheaper, go for it. I just wanted to make this because even though I've made the other pickup video, I didn't want to come across as saying that they don't matter that much. Because they do. And if you're not recording, you're not recording in a mix, then in the room I can definitely tell the difference between all three of them, even on the high gain stuff. I mean, these are very, very, I'm going to say woody. They're kind of like clanky. It's hard to describe. It's almost like a single coil, but with the beef of a humbucker. Basically like a P90, I think, really. Which I don't know if these are, but whatever. So, yeah. Monty's pickups, bethnal green. Are they worth the money? Probably not, but should you buy them? I think you should definitely try them. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next one.